What's up, YouTubers? So today we'll be working on boon.the.goon's 240. Gonna be doing a KA24DE swap, which is the dual cam, and replacing this single cam, which is the KA24E. And got the help of some friends here. Clean S13 seats, pretty clean body. 265s in the rear. Let's get this started. Now this is the progress so far on the boon.the.goon 240. A little custom box, little custom fiberglass air box. And take out all motor and tranny. Remove AC, compressor, lines. I guess there was a fire back here, but you don't think so?
Yeah.
I think the brake fluid was leaking onto the exhaust manifold.
Where did the brake go?
Catching a fire.
That shit gone.
The AC condenser.
So 10 minutes into removing the motor.
That was like 2. Bro, is that an old cigarette?
What?
Nah.
It looks like it, huh?
It is.
I think it is. You're a fiend. You be smoking cigarettes, huh?
Did that shit still got some?
I think so. Look, get it with this hanger right here.
The coat hanger?
But I need something else. Where's the pliers?
Right there. Oh, here, I got the perfect one here.
Oh, you got it.
Got the hook dog?
Oh.
Yeah, get the little peg.
Shit. Did that shit still got some dog?
Don't drop it in the coolant. No! Dropped it in the coolant.
Hey, why do they always tell little kids not to eat shit off of the ground? Like if they're gonna, if they're gonna go in there, you can go like.
You gotta cut.
Yeah, is that the filter, dude? Are you smoking the filter? Or that thing?
Yeah, like this, you just see me. Shit's all nasty as fuck.
Leaky boys. Take off the exhaust manifold, drive shaft. Should be all in another half an hour or so. What do you think?
I would say like 5 minutes maybe.
Alright, little update. The whole exhaust side, radiator's out. Gonna remove all the AC components actually. Harness is all disconnected. This guy won't hurry up. Fucking hurry up.
There, look. Fucking done. Look, I got the last fucking bolt right there.
This guy on here like a
That's it. Yeah,
taking a nap and shit.
Se acabó, yeah.
The motor's already out, dude. Get
Oh, I don't have to disconnect the drive shaft?
No.
Oh, fuck.
The drive shaft is left, and then trans brace, motor mounts, and then we can take her out. Probably drop it on the ground, set up the engine hoist, pull it out, call it a day. Oh damn, sick ass lights. Ready for some indoor soccer? Sheesh.
What's that one brand that always has the fucking
sock check, fool.
No, ya valí verga. Estos son para mi pinche, para andar en...
No, not a down ass fool. Not a down ass fool.
Es que
I'm only
mira
a little.
como no hay mosquitos, güey.
I'm only a little.
Oh, he got the
only a little
what do
guy.
you call those? The medium one? Oh, hell
No,
no.
espérate.
I knew it.
I got the fucking the swap meet specials, dog. $5, 4 pairs.
Damn.
$5, 5 pairs.
$5 for 5 pairs?
Yeah.
$1 a pair?
Yeah.
That's the fucking deal, dude. Alright, little update here. Everything's about ready to come out. Loosen both motor mounts, transmission mount, all the mounts. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get stuck on something behind here, but find out when we start pulling.
Do you guys do the heat record?
Huh?
You guys do the heat record?
Yeah. Yes, we did.
Both of them? Oh shit, this one's plastic.
I'm gonna just time lapse this. Got the motor out, only took how long? About 30 minutes?
Well, that was like 28 or something like that.
Yeah, it was bright when we started, now it's all dark. Gonna clean it up a little bit tomorrow, check off the AC. I don't know what to do about that reservoir though.
Oh.
Hey, you look like you're about to rob the house or something. Put that. I'll be like. This one looks like.
As the door's open, I was saying do the bottom one first so they don't. The triangle's just gonna slip off right now, right?
Oh, it does. One fucking bolt. Oh my god.
Go down with it a little bit.
Oh shit.
The Nissan clutch?
Is it?
OEM or what?
Alright, let's put this shit in the back here. Alright, you got it.
Here you go.
Yeah, put it on the skateboard.
You want to put it? You want to put the wheel on the board? The tire on the board, and then. Nice
I mean, we could.
Mhm.
Should be on it now.
Go. Yeah.
Put it down?
Yeah.
I'll let this shit down.
Otro.
All right. You doing good? Pop shove it.
Oh, shit.
Here, yeah. You a kickflip? You gonna turn?
Come on.
I got no
I got
good
the
grip.
clutch right here.
Oh, I got no good grip. Go for it.
Oh, from the intake, man.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, dude.
Appreciate you. Fucking poser. First try Friday? First try Sundays? What do you want? What do you want?
Pinche kickflip or pop shove it.
Kickflip or pop shove it? I'll do something I can do. No, not a lot of. How do you carry your board?
You gotta make sure you.
Damn, that's how you get the most grip. how young boy fans, young boy skateboard.
Not with you, though. Like
And then when somebody comes to take a look at the house, you gotta turn around like. Oh yeah, it's for rent.
I can't be
Yeah, I know
seen.
somebody's gonna get it though.
I can't be seen around you.
All right, that's it for today. Good night.